If you're relocating to North Phoenix, Arizona and looking for a true lock and leave condo, this one checks all the boxes. This low-maintenance condo is designed for ease, comfort, and efficiency, ideal for professionals working at TSMC or along the North Phoenix employment corridor. Clean lines, a functional layout, and move-in ready condition make it easy to settle in and get on with life. The open living space flows effortlessly, perfect for unwinding after work or hosting friends on the weekend, without the upkeep of a larger home. Comfortable bedrooms provide flexibility for guests, a home office, or extended stays, while the condo layout offers privacy and practicality. Location is everything. You're minutes from TSMC, major freeways, shopping, dining, and outdoor recreation, making commutes easy and weekends wide open. Whether this is your primary residence, second home, or executive retreat, it's built for convenience. Low maintenance, direct interior entry to garage, prime location, lock and leave simplicity. If you're looking for a smart North Phoenix home that works as hard as you do, this one you do not want to miss.